it's so nice to see him so secured and happy and content. He really shows it, Sora. Masaya ako para sa kanya.
Ikaw din naman, kitang-kita naman
Oh,
masaya.
thank you.
So ikaw ba, naisip mo na rin yun na pwedeng soon or papunta na kayo doon?
I think the right time will come, and when that comes, diba? But, you know, right now we're really just enjoying every day, being present, and supporting each other in all of our different projects, and yun naman yun. Yun lang. Wala ko masyado pa makwento sa'yo eh.
Hindi, pero kita naman na sobrang happy mo. Nag-radiate yung ano, no?
Thank you.
At saka, iba ba pag iba nag-work ka, tapos happy ka talaga personally?
Yeah. Yeah. Kasi
Mas masarap mag-work ba?
masarap mag-work pag lahat ng mahal mo sa buhay, todo ang suporta sa'yo. Mas napapadali nun yung trabaho.